A horrific case that's come to light. A man in Hyderabad, 45 years of age, is claiming that he has killed his wife, and this in order just to cover up the crime. He went ahead and chopped the body parts into multiple pieces and boiled the body parts in a pressure cooker. This is what Guru Murthy has claimed to the police. Now, those claims are being verified by the police. This after his 35-year-old wife had gone missing on the 16th of January. During the investigation, the police did get suspicious of the husband, and on questioning, it was the man who went ahead and confessed to the crime. We have my colleague Uma Sudhir joining us to get us more details on this. Uma, such a horrific case that's come to light. Since when has the police been questioning this particular man who has now gone ahead and made claims of chopping the body parts into small pieces before trying to cook it in a pressure cooker? What really led the police to believe that, it was a confession that came out of the man? But take us through, when did he actually go to the police? Because we do know that his wife had gone missing since the 16th of January. So was it that very day, or did it take time for the man to actually go to the police, asking for the police to look for his wife?
So Gurumurthy and Venkatramadhavi may have seemed like a regular couple here, living in the Venkateshwara colony of Meerpet area of Hyderabad, and he was in fact a former serviceman, we are told, and subsequently after retiring from the army, he had in fact joined defense organization DRDO as a security person. And over the last few days, there are reports of them having a lot of tension between them, quarrels as well. They have two children, a boy and a girl. And on the 15th or so is when he reported to his in-laws that the wife had gone missing. And on the 16th is when the parents of Madhavi had actually gone to the Meerpet police station and reported that after a quarrel, the wife, or rather their daughter, had left her marital home and had gone missing from then on. And interestingly, the husband also accompanied his in-laws to report the missing wife, and even appeared as though he was searching for his wife, and he put on the pretense of searching for his wife. His children had in fact been away on the day that this entire gory incident happened. What we know as of now is that the police grew suspicious of the husband and therefore started questioning him, and that is when he is said to have confessed that he had in fact chopped his wife into pieces and subsequently boiled her body parts in a pressure cooker in an attempt to try and ensure that no evidence is left. In fact, what we understand is that there were multiple cycles of cooking, and after cooking her once, he had in fact even separated the bones and used a pestle to break down the bones, and once again try to destroy the evidence by turning it in another form. And he is said to have confessed to the police that he had thrown the body parts into the Jilelaguda lake, which is in Meerpet area. So as of now, the police have with them what they call as a confession by the man, but to corroborate it with the evidence in the form of the remains of the woman, and what is the weapons that he had used for it, and what is the vehicles that he took, all that is something that the police will now have to piece together based on what the man has now confessed. Of course, the two children, minor children, having to go through something which is more horrific than the worst nightmare can possibly be. This entire incident of this man, trying to not only kill his wife, but subsequently cutting her into pieces and cooking her up in a pressure cooker, the body parts, that is something that has shocked the entire neighborhood. Back to you.
Believed to have been married for 13 years. The man is believed to have served the Indian Army and retired. This is what we're hearing from our sources. What other information do we have about the man, that a fight could lead to such a drastic step being taken, such gruesome details that are emerging of this case?
So very gruesome details indeed, and the police have said that as of now, what they do know is that they were married for 14 years, they are parents to two children, and they had frequent quarrels, after which this woman was reported missing by her parents to the police station, and he had accompanied the parents, and he had even put up the pretense of searching for his wife. The children were away when he indulged in this particular crime. He had only told his in-laws that after they had a quarrel, she had gone away from the home. So therefore, it appears to be a very elaborate plan to try and destroy the evidence, but obviously his mental strength did not seem to keep up with the questioning, and that's the reason why he seems to have confessed to this crime. But once again, to be able to prove it in a court of law, you would require more than the confessional statement, and the police is now trying to gather that kind of a corroborative evidence that can nail this crime in a court of law. Back to you.